Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kanisha. If you're new here, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, give me a like, and comment your website down below. Okay, so in today's video, it's a little bit different from the videos that I usually make. As you guys know, I am an entrepreneur. I have multiple businesses and I'll have those linked down below. But in this video, I wanted to talk about something a little bit different. I started my YouTube channel about 1.5 years ago. And with starting my YouTube channel, it has opened up different doors and opportunities for me. So I create content for my brand, my business, and just my YouTube. Before we get started, I do want to say thank you so much to Dossier for sending me this package. I want to show you guys what it looks like. I got 2 perfumes, so I was able to pick out any perfumes that I want. They have so many perfumes and colognes to choose from, and they're all like luxury designer inspired, but of course the price is like super affordable. I really love that because a lot of people want to get into like wearing high-end perfumes or cologne, but they don't necessarily want to like spend that much. So I really like that about Dossier. When you open it up, it looks like this. It looks so luxe. I forgot, this isn't even for me. We have a surprise. Baby,
what's good?
I got you a present.
Ooh.
This is for you.
This is for me?
Mm-hmm.
Surprise, shawty!
That is actually Chanel inspired. It's a men's cologne.
Chanel. I think the packaging is great. It's secure. If you order for them, you don't have to worry about your case or anything breaking. Okay. I like how it also gives you notes and tells you what's in it and what it's inspired by as well. It's the Chanel Black collection. Yeah. Spray it and let's see how you like it, baby. Oh yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, it smells real good.
Ooh wee, baby.
Oh yeah. So this is how I hit it.
Oh, I got Desmond this for Valentine's Day, and I wanted him to store his cologne and jewelry on this stand all neat and stuff, and this is where he's gonna store his Dossier cologne at because it looks so cute and you're gonna be smelling so expensive. So yeah, shout out to them.
Make sure y'all shop.
Now let's see how mine smells. I got the Floral Honeysuckle, and mine is inspired by the Gucci Bloom. And these are the notes if you guys want to get this one. And let's go ahead and smell it. I love how it comes with the travel size perfume as well. Desmond has one as well too, so he can like put it in his like car or something like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Okay guys, so I have the Floral Honeysuckle scent, and again, here are the notes. I love how they have the notes actually like on the label for us to see. Okay guys, so I have the perfume right here. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it just on my wrist so I can see how it smells. Baby.
Oh yeah.
It literally smells so good. I cannot wait to use this perfume. I needed some new perfume to try, so thanks again to Dossier. Make sure you guys go get y'all some perfume. This was literally only $29, like $29. Click the link down in the description box if you guys want to try out this affordable luxe style perfume or cologne. And let me know if you guys try it out and how you like it. If you guys have checked out Dossier already, let me know how you guys like their scents. The link will be down in the description box, and I also will have a coupon code for you guys to shop with. But make sure you guys go at least check out their website for future reference. And like I said, if you're trying to build your cologne collection or your perfume collection, or if you're like looking for a gift for someone, I feel like this is the perfect gift. Look how cute it's packaged up. It looks so luxury and I just love it. So make sure you guys go check them out. I don't have a manager, so I negotiate all of my brand deals and everything like that by myself. And I was like, you know what, having a media kit would just make the process a little bit faster and easier, because if you guys are influencers watching this, or if you guys like have any type of brand deals going on, sometimes it takes forever to like agree on something. So using a media kit would just kind of like cancel a lot of that back and forth out. And that's something that I need because I have other things going on, and sometimes I don't respond to my emails fast enough, or just things like that. Sometimes I literally just forget. So I think this media kit would be really, really good for me. I know what a media kit is just because I am a business owner and I reach out to, you know, other influencers to work with my brand, and I receive media kits, you know. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my custom media kit for my brand, which is just myself, my YouTube channel, my Instagram, and things like that. So if you're interested in making a media kit, if you're interested in growing your brand, if you're interested in being an influencer or just getting more brand deals, then keep on watching this video. I'm going to be using a free app called Canva to make my media kit. Here are the things I'm going to include in my media kit. I've researched a lot about media kits, and I know for sure I'm not going to include my rates or anything like that in it, just because it's going to depend on the company that I'm working with and things like that, you know, what I'm going to charge them. So some things that I know I'm going to include for sure is my subscribers, my analytics for my YouTube channel, how many times I post a week, and just overall like how interactive my community is. I'm only at like 3,000 followers on my Instagram, which I haven't even had the desire to grow it, but I am gonna include that because as of this year, I am gonna start focusing more on my Instagram and start growing my Instagram. So I'm gonna include that as well. And like I said, it just depends on the brands that I'm working with, because I do have KDK Beauty, which is my main business, and you know, some businesses might want to collab with KDK Beauty. So I'm going to also include KDK Beauty, and right now I think I'm at like 22,000 followers on there, so I'm going to include that and the analytics of that page. Another thing that I'm going to include in my media kit is the brands that I've worked with previously. You guys will see all of that later on in the video. Let's get right on into the video. Canva has so many media kit templates to choose from. You also can create one from scratch as well. I just went ahead and went with this one because I really like the font and the layout of it. I'm just going to start plugging my information in, and also the clip after this was deleted. So if you guys see like a jump from me doing this to the next point, that is why, but don't worry, it's really easy. A huge clip got deleted at this point, so right now I'm just going in and adding my YouTube and Instagram handles. Then I'm going to go in and add a picture to my media kit. So I'm just downloading it from Gmail. I'm going to add it right there. And I had to pick just any random picture because I don't really have like a lot of professional pictures. I'll probably just change it later. Right now I'm just adding in another picture of me in my office. Again, I'm going to change these pictures later. So now this is how it's looking. I'm just resizing everything and making sure it looks good. I changed that to about the creator instead of blogger. And then I'm just going back in and adding in my analytics for YouTube, Instagram. For Twitter, I'm not gonna add any analytics or nothing like that because I don't have a business like account, so I can't even see it. But yeah, that's all I'm doing. Most of my viewers are women, so I'm just adding that in. I'm adding the ages. Okay, so now I am finishing up the analytics for my social media stats and everything like that. Okay, so now I'm going to do the about the creator column, and I'm just playing around and see like how I want to do it. At first I thought I wanted to do it in like third person, but then I was like, I think I want it to be a little bit more personal. So I'm just playing around with words. I want it to be professional, but I still want it to sound like myself. So I'm just playing around with it, and we're gonna see what I come up with. My ultimate goal is to inspire, motivate, and create girl bosses worldwide. So this is what I came up with. I'm going to go back in and edit. So if you guys see anything that needs edited still, just wait till the final outcome, because I have to go in and I know there's errors and stuff. But yeah, so now I'm like, okay, we got the basic layout done, but we need to create it more, personal and more like myself. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just literally changing everything now since I got like the basic things done. And I'm just moving things around, changing the colors. On my computer, this was like a light pink color, and apparently it's like a nude color. So I'm probably going to go in and change that after the video, but I did not want that color at all. But yeah, so I just went ahead and put the about me at the top with my name and like what my channel and stuff is about. And I just try to make it like different, so it won't look like I just literally went on Canva and got a template and that was it. And I like doing stuff like this, so y'all already know. But I'm still working with these pictures. I really don't know like if I should keep them or not, but I went ahead and just added my analytics to the middle column. And yeah, I'm just changing the color of that and moving everything around. So right here, I decided I wanted to change the placement of this column. So I'm just putting it on the opposite side, and I'm going to move it up a little bit just because I feel like it's going to look better. But everything else I just kept the same. I went ahead and changed the color and just, kept everything else the same. I saw a few people add like brands that they've worked with onto their media kit. So that's definitely something I wanted to add, just so people can, know who I worked with and things like that. I felt like it was a nice touch to add to my media kit. So I'm just like playing around with the text and seeing where I want to add it in at and changing the font and everything like that. So okay, so now I'm literally just adding the brands that I've worked with, and I only wanted to add paid sponsorships and not like product reviews or anything like that, just because I just felt like these were more important to add. So of course I've had other sponsorships fall through, or I didn't reply back in time or something like that. So I don't really have a lot of sponsorships that I've worked with like that has paid me, but this is what I have for now, and it's only going to grow. So then I decided I no longer wanted that picture. It just was not cutting it for me. So I was like, you know what? Let me just add this picture. I'm in my office. It looks good. The quality is okay. So let's just add that for now. I wanted to add different ways that I can partner with the company. So I just wrote partnership opportunities, and I'm just going to make a list of ways that I can work for the brand. I decided I did not like the placement of the brands that I put, so I'm just playing around with that, and I just left room just so I can go back in and add more brands later on. So here is the finished media kit. I really love how it turned out. It's very straightforward, and I feel like it represents me and my brand very well. So let me know how you guys like it. Give this video a like and comment down below if you guys have a media kit, or if you're interested in growing your platforms to become an influencer, or if you have a business, just comment anything down below. I'm trying to be really consistent and post at least 2 times a week. So make sure you guys subscribe because it will really help me out. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys found this video very helpful and either made your media kit so you can start getting those brand deals. If you guys have a business, comment it down below. And if you guys have an Instagram that you're interested in growing, or if you're an influencer already, go ahead and comment your Instagram down below so we can connect and things like that, because I'm trying to grow my Instagram. Also, if you guys are interested in this outfit that I'm wearing, it's on my website, kdkbeauty.com. I have a picture of how it looks on the screen right there so you guys can see it, but it's really cute, and right now it's on sale, so go check it out. So thank you so much, boss friend, and I'll talk to you next time.